Springtime is around the corner, so it's time to start thinking about lawn care and weed control. Best place to start is pre-emergents. So what is a pre-emergent? A pre-emergent is an herbicide used as a protective barrier to prevent weeds from germinating come warmer temperatures. The key word is prevent. It won't kill weeds that have already started to pop up, it just prevents them from growing. So that means timing is everything. You'll want to place down your pre-emergents before the weather starts to get warmer and the weeds start to germinate and sprout. The pre-emergent will penetrate the top couple inches of soil, creating the protective barrier. Pre-emergents are great for controlling weeds such as crabgrass, clover, nutsedge, and many other types of weeds. So you're probably wondering, what type of pre-emergent do I need? Well, that really depends on your grass type and the type of weeds that you're trying to control. So if you don't know what type of weeds you have in your yard, you might want to pick a pre-emergent with a broad label on there. Just make sure that your grass type is listed on the label so they don't kill your lawn. Our recommendation is using oryzolin or dithiopyr, and dithiopyr mainly because of its early post-emergent activity. Like I said, timing is everything. So when do you want to apply your pre-emergents? Well, that will really depend on your regional climate and the grass type you have. Typically, you'll want to start applying pre-emergents mid-February through May. You can check out our website for a handy lawn care schedule guide to get an idea. Also, check your soil's temperature by using a soil thermometer. You'll want to apply the pre-emergents before the soil actually reaches 55 degrees. Insert the thermometer 3 to 4 inches into the ground and check the reading. A helpful tip is to use a screwdriver or a dowel to create a pilot hole for easier insertion and stop the risk of breaking your thermometer's probe. So how do you apply spring pre-emergents? Well, there are granular and liquid versions of both, and whichever you choose depends on your preference. Granules tend to be easier because they're ready to use, but liquid pre-emergents give you the benefit of a more even application and flexibility in terms of level of concentration. So it's critical that you read the label of any pre-emergent herbicide to know what weeds it's listed for, make sure it's intended for your type of grass, mix, and application rates. When you're done applying your pre-emergent, it then must be watered in. You'll want that herbicide to penetrate the soil. It does no good by sitting on top of the turf grass. Be sure to consult your label on when to water and how much. Typically, you'll want to do this within 3 days of application. If you have some rain in your forecast, let Mother Nature take care of it for you. If you've missed your application window and your soil is above 55 degrees, remember you can use dithiopyr for its early post-emergent activity. If you're already having weeds pop up, then you'll need to use a post-emergent. If you have any other questions about pre-emergent herbicides or any other DIY pest control, please give us a call or shoot us an email. I'm Jason Baker with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how and do it yourself.